As part of the commemoration of 75 years of India's independence, or the Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, and Meghalaya's 50 years of statehood, the Northeast Space Application Center, Barapani, had organized a space exhibition entitled Space on Wheels on the 22nd of April 2022 for students of St George School Nongmynsong who were equipped with knowledge about the 75 satellites launched by India into space. The aim of the exhibition is to bring science and technology space applications and its usefulness to common man. Senior scientist from Nesac, Dr. Bijoy K. Handik, said that this type of event will give an opportunity to the people to know the strength of India in the sector of space technology, space organizations and other space programs that are effective in protecting the environment and biodiversity through monitoring of various available resources.
I'm Dr. B.K. Handik, scientist from Northeastern Space Application Center. So I think all of you must be knowing, sir, this year we are celebrating 75 years of Indian independence. It is we call Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. So what we are celebrating, also we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee year of statehood of the state of Meghalaya. So it's such an important year, and it is always nice to popularize and bring the space technology to the common people and to the students, to encourage them to see that what India has achieved in the field of science and technology, particularly in case of space technology. As you see, sir, like even Indian Space Research Organization has been supporting all the departments in terms of natural resource management, in terms of water resource management, disaster management, and then different planning and monitoring activities. So here at Nesac also, we are supporting all the 8 states of NER in terms of protecting our environment, protecting our biodiversity, and then monitoring our rich natural resources. And then we are bringing the bus to showcase the students, just to see, like today's theme is the 75 Indian satellites. So we want to show the students, let's see how many satellites India has launched and the different type of applications we have from this large number of satellites. Here what we are showing. And this will motivate our the students, particularly to take science as a career and then to build and to see the great achievement of the country is having in this field of science and technology, particularly in the field of space technology. That is the main objective of bringing this bus to different places to motivate and encourage the students and to see and to feel proud the great achievement the country is having in the field of science and technology. That is the main purpose of bringing the bus to here, sir.